Give me a minute.
We are now live on YouTube, so don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.
All right, guys, I'm back. So let's get started. Is everybody in here?
Present.
We both said at the
Fleur.
same time.
Hey, Fleur. Um, all right. Keep an eye on this BLNE, all right? It's one of those small ones that could make the move. All right, let's get started. All right, let me go over to start with that SPY here. All right, this is your SPY. What do we want out of SPY today? So let's see if we can get one more push out of it, get it up there, and see if we can pull it, all right? So I want to see if we can pop it and then dump it, all right? Pop and dump I want to see on SPY. So keep an eye on this resistance line. If we can push over that resistance lines at the open, right? You're gonna use that as your support line to break it and start pulling it back down again. If we don't push all the way up there and break through, you're gonna use this support line here, right? You break it, you're gonna get down to the next support and so on. All right. Tesla. So yeah, I would love to see a push on it and then see if we can pull it. Tesla right now a little bit on the heavy side. Um, so let's see if we can get this one to come down to support here. It stuck its nose under my support line on Tesla. So definitely keep an eye on those sticking out noses, both of those sides, right? So if I put another line here for you guys, so you can have another line there, so it's not going to be too confusing for you, all right? But the first one is my support line, all right? Before we can pull it down and go even deeper, the next support will be uh, all the way down here. All right, your next support after we're gonna break under support lines. Your next support is gonna be this line here at the 27905 area. So keep an eye on what the stock market wants to do at the open. All right, so be careful at the open again. Do not trust so much anything. Nvidia coming down to support here, right? Hitting support right here, right now. So let's see if we can hold that support and give us a curl for an upside move. Right now, we are just making a little bit of a base here. Nothing much, nothing else. Just a little bit of a base. If we're gonna get that SPY to break down and pull, you're gonna see that Nvidia break support line and go even deeper, right? On Nvidia. But these are your resistance up here that you need to break through for an upside move. What else do we have? We have that. Which one was it now? Kajura. Which one was it again?
Which what?
The one you just gave me before.
Chewy.
Chewy,
Chewy,
yeah.
yeah.
CHWY. Chewy. Now this one, you want to see if we can push over that resistance for one more push. All right, so let's see if we can get one more push, top it off, and then pull it. My next resistance on Chewy would be all the way up to, it has room to go all the way up to 3810. All right, 3810 would be the resistance I have above. So definitely see if you can pop it. Right now it's coming up, creating a double top up here. So I would love to see one more pop and dump afterwards. That would be better, all right? Because I want to see that break through that double top here to go a little bit higher, so we can use that support line here to break that support so we can pull it. Otherwise, we will. I mean, if it's gonna respect that double top right now on Chewy, it's gonna just turn around, make that curl, break on the support, and take it down. All right, on Chewy. All right, let's see what else we have out there. We have Amazon giving us a nice flag here, holding support. This is sitting at the support right now on this Amazon. We are on the heavy side. We are having a flag here, so we gotta respect that flag here, but respect also that we are still on the heavy side, so it can easily break under that support column all the way down to the next support of 205.13 on Amazon. We have AVGO is showing up here. Oh, another one that is making a nice support here. This one on the other side, it's making a nice double bottom, all right? You are coming down to support. My next support would be down here. So definitely keep an eye on this one for to hold that support line here. Break over your trend line flag and see if you can curl it for an upside move. Your next resistance you want to break through would be up here at what is that? 187.95 is the next resistance you want to break through. But beautiful double bottom, holding, creating a base here. No curl yet, no nothing. Careful of the volume in it. Still a little bit on the heavy side right now, so be patient. You can easily come down to the next support and make this support your turning point for an upside move on AVGO. PLTR slowly coming down to support. My support is just a little bit lower here. So what's this? 95.75. 95.75 flagging, beautiful flag on it. You want to break over the trend line flag. You want to break over your first resistance, which is this 90, what is that? 96.25. So you want to break over the trend line resistance here for a push up to the previous high PLTR. One we talked about. Right, let's see what else we have. BA. Look at this BA flag here. Man, one huge flag here on BA. So what's this trend line flag? If we can break over resistance and push on BA, all right. So your resistance on BA you want to push through would be that 183.91. 183.91. You want to push through there on BA. Pen W made a nice little move. Let's see if this Pen W can go. Oops, cannot go any. Zoom out more. A little bit higher would be even better. Top it off, break under your support trend line and pull it. All right. PANW. Apple, what are you doing? Look at this flag on Apple, right? Look at this channel Apple is in, right? Beautiful, beautiful channel. You're sitting in here on Apple. You want to break away from that channel and pull it. Yeah. So let's see if we can get one more pop and then break it down, break under that support trend line and just yank it, take it down. All right, guys, that's what I had this morning. Does anybody else have anything? Any other ticker? Tesla is coming down to support here. Testing it already. Any other tickers you guys want to? And guys, like I said before, if you guys want me to put anything on the chart, let me know. Ask questions, right? Say, I'm in this. What do you have the next resistance? Can you put it up on the charts?
Can you give me your next support for VST, please?
VST. Oops, hitting support here right now, Dina. After that, we have 127.95. Next support, 127.95. Your resistance, 131.62. But take care of this up here at the 132. All right, take care of this.
Okay.
Jenny, support for DLTR.
DLTR. Mm, well, I have a support line here at the 65.87. You have a resistance point at 68, 17. You want to break through. Next resistance would be 69.70 before you can push it higher. But right now, this DLTR, you're still a little bit on the heavy side. All right, you're still a little bit on the heavy side. Next support you have would be this 64.35. Is coming down, testing support here. What's this triple bottom now on Tesla, right? Triple bottoming. Remember, I was saying my support is this one. Now it's trying to come down to that triple bottom here on Tesla. Nice pull on it. So let's see if we can get that SPY to break and start pulling. All right, Nvidia is still holding the support area. Does anybody else have anything? Any other tickers you want us to look at? Tendance. Any other ticker you guys have? Gajora, Casper, Alan, Cobb, Aram, Red, Plur. Anything? Got plenty of time, guys. We have another 7 more minutes.
BB,
Mm-hmm.
you take a look at Netflix for me?
Netflix,
Netflix.
NFLX. What are you doing? Nice flag on Netflix. Look at this flag here. Whoop. So you definitely want to see this one break under your first support. And that first support would be at 993.25. Your resistance for an upside move would be break over that 99996. Next support after that would be 98995. No, 80. Beautiful flag on it.
Gracias.
Prego on Netflix. Nice pull we are getting already. Darn it. So right now we are getting the pull already, guys, and it's screwing up the better entry. The better entry we would have had if we got that pop, right? Kajora? Got it. Thanks, Kajora. NVIDIA is holding support here. Did Chewy have any reports, or did it have anything?
Earnings today.
Earnings, got it. Yeah, let's see if we can break it down and pull this Chewy, huh? Why not? Tesla is holding, bouncing off support here. Got less than 3 minutes. Any other questions? All right, so let's see. What do we have here? Papa Noel questioned after watching the show a few times. How is the best way to obtain information regarding the art of trading? Join the Discord room. Get into the Discord room, guys. Isn't giving me dead as company. Well, I don't like GameStop, that's for sure, Jetty. Do not like this GameStop, man. I think the rally is about out of steam. Yeah, David. I mean, we got plenty of things coming up with the tariffs and all that. So don't try to catch the bottoms, all right? That's not what we are doing here. We are day traders, right? We want to get in, take our money, and get out, right? My thoughts on tariffs? I have no idea what's gonna happen. I am I'm very cautious because I always know that if somebody does something, somebody else is gonna do something else. All right. So I have no idea. Dean, you're welcome, Dean. And guys, if anybody wants to, we have a Discord that we are in there all day long, talking, explaining, um, dissecting. There's a lot of knowledge going on in there. What happens because I know this streaming. It's just an hour or so, right? So yeah, Jess, I will let you know, guys. I will let you know. Look at Chewy. Bye bye. Bye bye, Chewy. Here we come. Right? Beautiful pull on it. Breaking support here now. So you want to break it and pull it. We have another less than a minute, guys. Less than a minute. Get ready. Here we go. PLTR giving us a little bit of a push here. Nvidia trying to break on the support. Apple, nice pull. By if we can get that pop, that would be amazing, right? We can get that pop, so we can get a better entry and just dump the things, right? Because we wanted a pull, but it would be better if we get that pop. Come on. But look how, guys, how more pretty it was the trade before the bell rang. All right. Look how much better it was before the bell rang than we are getting right now. This choppiness, we didn't have it before, right? Look at the choppiness we got now, right? So that's why I'm telling you guys, it's really important you taking positions when there is no choppiness. It's just floating, right? Doesn't matter if it was Nvidia from all the way up there or it was Tesla from, well, you see how it did, right? Beautiful. Look how choppy it is right now compared to pre-market. Come on, go, 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 go. The next support we have, it's all the way down here. Beautiful break on Nvidia, coming down to the next support here. If I can put it right here. You are coming down and hitting support here. This is your next support. After that, you're gonna go down to 117 area on Nvidia, taking it down. So right now we are getting a beautiful pull on everything. Uh, the Apple, the PDD, the coin, SMCI popped. Um, everything is just pulling now. We just need that SPY to give it up. Want that SPY to give it up. So right now SPY is holding that second level of support here. Come on, SPY, pull, pull. Making a nice double bottom down here, guys, on SPY. Be careful now with that SPY double bottoming here. Can easily see that SPY break over that resistance and make a pop on it. So be a little bit cautious here. Nice pull on Chewy. I wanted this Chewy go even deeper though. Being a little bit stubborn here right now. Look at this SPY. We just said it. Look at this push. Right, guys, we are getting that pull we wanted out of the market, but the problem is we didn't get a pop before the pull, right? So now the pull that's we're gonna get is gonna have a pop in it. So you are looking now for a little bit of a pop before we can see if we can pull it back down again. All right. So be cautious now.
Yeah, I've got eyes on Tesla here. We've got the push up. We're getting back into some prior resistance upwards. I've got about our 30 cents higher before it hits another marker. Like to see this thing pull back and see if we can crack through that 280. I mean, that would be ideal to me at least.
Nice, Kajora. Yeah. Spice coming up and testing that support of resistance here. So let's see if we're gonna push through. Now, when you push through, you move your stops up. All right. Move your stops up. Push on coin. The spreads are wide on coin right now, but a nice pop nevertheless. Tesla is also trying to push here. Can Tesla be any more tight than this right now? Look at this tight support and resistance line we have on Tesla, and look how it's. Come on, push through, man. Push, push. Stop a little one. Push, 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 push. Come. All right, SPY doesn't want to push through that resistance. Tesla is coming up to the next resistance here, so let's see if we're gonna have the momentum to push through. Nvidia retesting that support down here. All right, with that pull on SPY, taking things a little bit down on everywhere, right? Look at your SMCI, your PDD, your PLTR. Everything's getting a little bit of a pull. Reddit still pulling. Spreads are wide on that Reddit. Come on. All right, guys. Today, the market is not as clean cut as we are normally used to, right? You see it. It's giving us a little bit of a pullback, a little bit of a pop, a little bit of a pullback, a little bit of a pop, right? It's not giving us that break on one side and just go, 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 go one direction, right? So be very cautious now. We are not getting those breaks. We are coming down to support and bouncing, hitting resistance and stopping, right? Chewy, it's holding it under that support here, or resistance, should I say. So we broke under that support line. It's holding it under, but come on, do something. We wanted this one to just break down and pull, but not doing it. Not right now. So I guess this pull that we were looking for on the market, it's gonna be a little bit delayed, huh? With this little bit of a pops and we are getting right now in the market. Tesla is retesting resistance here. Do not trust anything right now. SPY doesn't know what it wants to do. Nvidia coming down to the next level of support here. So you're coming down, hitting the next level support here on Nvidia. Come on, Chewy. Pull. Pull, 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 pull. Still want that market to pull, but it's being very, very stubborn here in many of the tickers. ARM was beautiful short. Carvana, beautiful short. PDD, short. SMCI, short. Reddit, short, no problem. But the Tesla and the SPY, the coin, the MSTR, um, not so good. Not so good. Come on, pull, pull, pull. Coming down. So let's see if we're gonna get that break now on that SPY and give us that thing we are looking for, a downside move, right? Put the next level support here on Nvidia. Come on, SPY, break it, man. Break
Looking
it.
for NVIDIA to pop here. I'm getting out some of the long now. Looking for a first attempt at 117.29. Current daily 23 You push through there, then you got 117, we'll say 59, and you got a couple of fibs there. You have a longer term 161. But you get out 95% along here and start looking for your reshorts as we get closer and closer to the bottom.
Thanks, Kajora.
Jenny, look at Hood, HOOD.
Good. Oh, bye bye. Bye bye. That was pretty. That was pretty. What is GameStop doing? GME is it doing anything? Nah. You see, I told you it's garbage. Crap of a stock. What about the? Did any of the small ones make the move this morning? What was the names of them? Let me see. The names were um, OSRH. OSRH. Did that one make a move? Ah, coming down to support here again. And the other one was BLNE from pre-market. Nah, nothing either. At least not yet. Dina, you got out. Did you guys take profit on your OSRH? Come on, Spy. Come on, Spy. This is your next support down here on Spy. A little bit more. Come on, Tesla, pull. Pull, Tesla. Oh well. The only one listening right now of those four tickers we have up here is that the Chewy, Nvidia, buy, but not Tesla. Right now, Tesla is not listening. All right, so what's that Chewy coming down to the next level of support here you want to break? Almost there. Definitely take a little bit of profit off at the support areas. Come on. Oh, dear. Takes like forever. Almost there on SPY. Just a little bit, just a hair away from the next support here on SPY. Same thing goes for NVIDIA. Come on. So now what we want, we still want to break those support lines and go even deeper, right? Break and pull, break and pull. Break and pull. So right now we are sitting at the next support level on NVIDIA on SPY. Chewy a hair away from it as well.
Hi, babe. You did not get consumers? Nice man. Yeah, with Holly.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you, Kajuna? Come on, guys. Can we go deeper? Can we go lower? Right? I mean, if you are short, that's what you really want, right? You want to go, you want to break those support lines and take them even further, right? Always take some profit at support areas, leave some on the table, and see if you can pull it under those support to go even deeper. Leave 10%, 20%, 30%, whatever you guys want. But definitely take some profit off, right? Always pay yourself. Move your stops. You want to break, you move your stops.
Market is dropping big
Yes,
time.
it is. Well, that's what we wanted, right, Kajuna? That's what we wanted. Break and pull, break and pull. Come on, go deeper. But look how at the market open, how choppy things were, right? And you are getting stopped out, or it's going against you, right? Am I right or am I right?
Yeah, Janny, like I said earlier, I'm only looking for pretty much on everything. I've got about like 1.5% on any shorts I have. I'm looking for some SCRs and then reshort.
Perfect. Perfect, man.
Apple is holding up very well.
Yeah, it is.
Tesla coming down to that support. I know I talked about breaking through the 280, but my next low on it, we're getting a little bit of a bounce here, is 277.48. Needs to get back over 278.93 with some volume to push back up to the 281. At least those are my current targets in both directions.
Thanks, Kajura.
All right, taking out 95% of the Tesla long here as we're hitting that first upward target is a prior long-term 61. Needs to hold and maintain to get back up to the 281 flat.
All right, does anybody have any questions? Anybody, anything? And guys over there in YouTube, if you have any questions, whatever you guys want to talk about. Got a beautiful move. So most of the trade is done now. So definitely take some profit off. Can we go lower? Yes, we can. And we would love to see that. But right now we are in the trade going lower, all right? We are managing the trade. Managing the trade means that we are moving our stops and we are taking profit along the way, but we are keeping some in on the table so we can pull it even lower, right? That's what we are doing right now. Look how it's basing here on SPY. Damn, that's a beautiful base. All the candles are equal size. Getting a little bit of a pop here. Nvidia, SPY, Tesla. Actually, everything is making a little bit of a pop. PLTR, Coin, SMCI, MSTR, Reddit, everything making a little bit of a pop now. So now is this pop a curl for an upside move, or is the stock just breathing here for us to go even lower, right? SCR, Kajora? I don't have that ticker. Oh, got it. Short cover rally. Got it. Yeah. Nice short on Chewy. Thanks for that one, Kajora. Chewy.
No problem.
All right, guys. Look what happened today all over. Just to go a little bit around, right? Look at PDD, right? Look, this is your PDD. How it broke on the support from 25. Now it's down to 20. That's 5 points, right? Coin, another one. No, that's not how you spell coin. Coin broke on the support, came all the way down there. What else did we have? Reddit, RDDT broke on the support. Bye bye, right? Came all the way down to almost 18. So we had beautiful moves today, definitely. SMCI, beautiful shorts we have all over the place. All right, very pretty. And CHWY Chewy still holding here under support, under our resistance right now. So it's all good. And guys, you just need to be in one trade, one ticker. You cannot be in everything. Nobody can be in everything, right? You concentrate on one, two tickers, and you stick with those. Yeah. So right now the market is just giving you a little bit of a breathing exercise, not a curl for an upside yet. All right. Just a little bit of a breathing. Now it's pulling back down again. It's going to try to make a double bottom. So now we need to see if we can break that support of the double bottom, go even lower. We don't want to hold that double bottom, right? Gajora, look, you were just saying about Apple, right? Look at the pull Apple just did.
Luis Diego, yeah, that's a heck of a pull. I take my eyes off it for a second to focus on Tesla and Nvidia. But you're right, man. Good
Yeah,
call.
damn. I saw it just now. I didn't see it before. I missed the trade. Didn't see it. But on Apple, you are still coming down to that. Look at the channel. It's just coming down to that channel again. Remember the channel we put on, right? Look at the channels being hit right now, and we're talking about this channel here on Apple, right? It's just coming down and hitting that support line. You want to break it and get out of that, but right now it's holding. Nice pull though. Um, no, damn it. How do you spell to Chewy again? Damn Chewy.
CHWY.
CHWY. There you are.
All right, for those listening, I know I called out the fold or hold on the 23 daily on Nvidia. You're back down to the low of the day, so I've got less than 3% here. If I were you guys, I'd be moving my trailing stops just to make sure I can't lose any money. I'm using about a 18-cent spread from where we're at now to where my stops are.
Thanks, Kajura. Dean is asking, when you say daily 23, what does that mean? Kajura, that must be for you.
Daily 23 means so throughout the day, depending on your trading style. For me, I'm a high frequency trader. So I'm going to constantly, every 5-10 minutes, redraw the daily Fibonacci's. Currently, we haven't broken down, although we're retouching the low of the day here on NVIDIA. So, what is a 23% retracement from the low on the way back up? And that is what a 23 is. There's a 23, a 38, a 50, which doesn't really exist mathematically. It's just an emotional quotient. 61, 78, and 100%. Currently, if NVIDIA holds here and pushes back up, looking for a 23% retracement, which would take you to 116.54 roughly.
On what ticker was that?
NVIDIA.
NVIDIA. Damn, beautiful. Beautiful short. Well, my next support is a little bit lower on NVIDIA now. Well, Dean, like I said before, we are doing everything in the Discord, right? All the teaching, all the seminars, I mean, we are a lot of heads in here, right? And everybody is con- con- contributing, contributing, something like that with something, right? Everybody has their own style, and so yeah, there's plenty of things to learn.
Janie, just so you know, NVIDIA currently, at least somebody can confirm this if you guys want, but I've got us down roughly 6%. If that's correct, we get down another 3%, we'll be short sale restricted.
Really, already? That would fast. Well, my next support is down here at the 115.50. It's my next support, but it's slowing down. It's slowing down right now. So I would like to see if we can get it just a little bit lower, hold that support down there. Because look at this the SPY right now, what it's doing, right? It is getting, come on, pull and break and pull, break and pull. Come on. Come on. Patience.
Good morning, Jenny. Good
Good
morning, team.
morning. Good morning, Plur. How do you do? You're having a great day. I can hear it on your voice. It's soft today. Otherwise, you would be biting me.
Yeah. Yeah, it was good. I made up for yesterday because Tesla didn't want to. Tesla's trade yesterday was a loss, but today I made up for it.
So you were, but wait a minute. You were green on Tesla. I remember that. You
Yeah, I
held.
gave it back.
Yeah, you gave it back. Why? Why?
I was just trying something new and it didn't
Oh,
work.
okay. It's good to try stuff. I agree with that. Try stuff, guys. But you can also, you know
Yeah,
what? Try it in paper trading. It doesn't have to be real money.
I
Why
know.
paper trade it? You want to try something? Do it, but do it on paper.
Yeah, I was yesterday I was playing the I thought it was a bear flag or a what is it not ascending or descending, but I was just trying to play that pattern and it didn't
Right?
work for me because it went up.
Yeah, I get it.
So yeah, I was trying something new.
No,
So
I've done that a million times. Try something new. Try something new. I've done it a million times. I know, and good you do because you know that you are getting the experience that the grass is not greener on the other side. Stick to your core. So
yeah.
that's why your core things, your core trading style, it's so bloody important, right? Don't ever change that. That works. The core that works, you keep it. And you
Yeah.
adding to the core, and if the you don't like it, you test it and it doesn't work, you remove it straight away. But the core is being intact.
Yeah, I guess the core for me is just scalping, just day trade because I've tried doing these patterns and sometimes they work, but I don't know. It just takes longer and I mean, I do want to get better at it, but like how you said, it's just
All right, let's
trying out.
talk about it. Yeah, let's talk about this swing trading a little bit later. Let's talk about that
Yeah.
again. I will show you examples. All right,
Okay.
please remind me.
Alrighty. I will. Thank
Come on, come on. Guys, do you see how this little bit of a pop we got on Nvidia, on Tesla, on everything, right? It's just a breathing. It's not. There's no reason to get out of your trade yet. Not yet. This place, though, where we are right now, you need to take profit again. Take profit again here now, and you're moving your stops.
Yeah, I had a resistance for Tesla from I think a couple days ago. You were talking about it, the 285, and it didn't even get to retest that today. So that's why I was confident that it was going to at least go retest at 280 level,
Well, it
which
came
was a
up to
gap
this,
at one point.
but it came up to this resistance here, this 280, almost 285, right? On this pop
Yeah, I
here.
had it at 285.70.
Okay, and then pull back down again.
So thank you.
Well done. Well done, Plur. Look how that SPY is holding. Those bastards are holding that SPY for an upside move now. Damn it. All right. Well, I want to thank you guys for a lovely short. So thanks, everybody. Mhm. Any questions, anybody?
GME hitting my first upward target after WAP 29. I think we'll probably get a little bit of pullback here, retest 29, and then see if we can head to 30, the pre-market high.
Everything's good, Judah. That SPY still holding it here.
It's like they pushed the markets up the last 3 days to get buyers to chase, trap them, and then take it back down.
Yeah, they're not stupid, huh? They know what they're doing. They know.
All right, Janie, I'm starting to look long on Tesla here just for an emotional bounce.
Mm-hmm. Okay. You don't want to wait just a little bit longer. Nvidia holding that support here right now, making a base. Chewy came up to resistance, start pulling again. So let's see if SPY's gonna let it go on the next support you are coming down to here. Just moving your stops, right? Move your stops. You know, Gajora, I'm really, really proud of this group, man.
What's that, Janie?
I'm really proud of the group that we have. I mean, everybody's doing great.
Yeah, it's a good group, good day. We've got about another 70 cents to my next downward target on Tesla, but I'm watching for the curl here. I think we're going to start getting it.
Hmm. Got it.
Speak of the devil, there you go.
Yep.
All right, so now that Tesla's at least showing its first signs for the curl, if it holds here, I'm looking at 275.41 long. That will be your current daily 23. There is a longer term 38 just above it at 276. I'm trying to see through these things. Oh 03. And then you have a longer term 50 and today's current 38, right around 277, 23, 48. I mean, right in that range.
Thanks, Kajura. Anybody else? Any questions? Anything else you guys want to talk about? All right, guys. When you're getting into a trade, right? You are stressed. You are nervous. Is the trade gonna work, right? Is it gonna? Yeah, just like Ken Dance is saying, you're babysitting it at that point in time. Just when you are getting into a trade, right? You are nervous. It's gonna stop. But please break through. Please break. Please break. You're saying to yourself, right? Come on, push, push, right? But after when you are getting those drops, right? We are getting right now, you are relaxed. The only thing you got to do now, it's just you don't babysit it anymore. You're just moving your stops down, right? This is not babysitting now. Now you are a lot more relaxed. You can talk. You can. So right now you're just taking profit, moving your stops down. That's it.
Out 95% of the tests along here, we did get over that longer term 23. The daily 23, though, is still 275, 43 ish.
Was real good. Yeah. Did everybody have a great day? Did you guys have a great day, all of you? Is there anybody who were entangled?
I'm having a great day. I don't know about anybody else, but I'm enjoying it. I'm going to treat myself to a delicious Mountain Dew.
A Mountain Dew. Yeah.
All right, there you go. Your daily 23 is hit. Let's see if we can get to that longer term 38, which we're about 20 cents below. So I would be getting out 95% of the long here if you haven't already, moving your trailing stops on it. Like I said, this is an emotional push to me, maybe some SCR. I doubt if there's really a whole lot of buyers, so be cautious with it.
Yeah.
Hey, Kajora, thanks for guiding that through. Really appreciate it. Thank you.
Well done, Param. Well done, man. What about the rest of you guys? Guys, if anybody has any issues, you gotta speak up, man. All right, speak up so we can look at it, address the problem, so we can solve it. If you are not addressing the problem, it's not gonna solve itself, right? Nice push, Kajura.
Okay, your 38 is now just a couple cents higher, so be careful here.
Guys, give me a minute.
All right, now get out 25, or excuse me, 95% of your short here. You rejected currently the daily 38. It's back down to the daily 23. So lock in a good percentage of your gain here. Move your trailing stops down on your remaining short shares, but she's pulling. Now, if she can break through the daily 23, we want to retarget 274.23. That is the longer term 23. For those, most of this is algorithm movement, in my opinion. And the problems is with algos, they're currently programmed by humans. So what do? They follow predictable or fairly predictable human emotional components or levels, I guess you could say. That's why, when I was talking to everybody in the chat, I was like, hey, look for Tesla to bounce here. We want to look for 2338 because that fulfills an emotional aspect of the algorithm program. We got that push back up. The SCR was fulfilled. Now what do you have? You're going to have another emotional one. People are going to take profits on that short or that short cover rally. Hope this helps you guys. For what it's worth, also, where you're at currently is now a 50-50 play. So are we going to turn the trend back up, push back to the 38, try to get to the 50 or WAP? That's possible. Could we break down here because there's a lack of buying, which pushes us to that longer term 23 at 274.31, and then potentially break that low of the day at the 272.52. And there's a longer term 50 just below that at 272.11.
right, guys, we got a little bit of a pop here. Still just a breathing exercise. It's not like it's breaking over resistance and pushing, right? Just breathing here a little bit. So we can easily see continuation on the downside now. Guys, over there, I'm talking to you guys over there in YouTube right now. Um, we are trading tickers that has volume in them, um, tickers that are more reliable, not small tickers that are being pumped and dumped. So many other uh, uh, groups out there, right? We always say what we want and how we're gonna get it. Um, so we are not trading those penny stock tickers that are moving 10, 20 cents and people are freaking out that move 20 cents or whatever. I mean, we are moving points here, right? So what did we get out of Nvidia? We got what, 3.5 points for Tesla, right? Tesla almost what, 10 points. So uh, not to talk about all the rest of the tickers, right? So that's what we do in here. We are trading tickers that reliable. It's not those um, penny stocks that's coming in for one day, making a move and just dies, right? And that's it. And everybody lost money on them. And I know a lot of people from everywhere. They started with penny stock tickers, right? And then they moved over because they got wiser to something more reliable consistently. So if you guys have any questions over there on YouTube, if anybody have anything you want to talk about, it's a good time right now. All right. Oh, can dance. It's a dry. What a no. Oh, it's a what a day. Yeah, I thought you said what a dry day to start. Yeah, start the strategy. Yeah, yeah, I get it. So let's see if we're gonna get another pull, guys. Another pull, another leg down. All right. So if anybody is long on anything right now, just manage your stops, right? You pushing those stops up, not to let the market go against you. Never let a green trade turn red on you, right? Never.
All right, Janie, Tesla's hit both my 38 and it sniffed the longer term 50. So we've had a pretty nice recovery here without volume. I would suspect we get a little bit of a pullback, maybe not much, before we continue. If this is just all algorithms, an upward trend, closer to 278.70.
Got it. Thanks, Kajora. And Kajora is talking about those fibs, right? Um, Probably he doesn't have it exactly there. Probably he has it here. So that's why he's saying he's hitting those, both of them, right? Well done, Gajora. So this is the first line Kajura was talking about. The first target he was going for is this shorter line, and this is the second line up here. He just hit now on his push to the upside. Okay. Come on, guys, say something. I hate quietness. One of the things I can I cannot stand is quiet. Damn, I like noise.
Yeah, where is everybody? It seems like it's been a very quiet morning.
Everybody's making money and shutting up. That's what it is. Come on.
I'll talk to you, Janie.
Okay, Kajora. Talk to me, man. Talk to me. Talk to me, Goose. Talk to me.
Yeah, that's right, man. Top Gun. Love it.
Yeah.
Ay, caramba.
Caramba. Plur, are you in here? Plur? Plur. You in here? Well, that was a very weak curl we are getting right now on NVIDIA and on SPY, right? So that's why I'm saying get ready. We might get that another leg down. Ah, la, la.
Happy trail.